Peace and blessings from the Divine Clinic Foundation, humanity's ultimate purification clinic, restoring hearts and spaces to light upon light. And today's reflection of Almighty's divine name is Ya HADI Sami. Ya HADI Sami means the guide, the leader, the one who takes one back to the path of righteousness. When we combine that with Ya Sami, it's truly so profound to understand that in Almighty's attributes of Ya Sami, there can only be hearing of faculties that are beyond the five senses. And He listens to all the prayers and sounds of creatures without disruption. And Abdul Sami is the one that is all hearing. And here at the Divine Clinic Foundation, a purification clinic that understands the importance of restoring back consciousness is from cleansing our hearts. And we have the services such as the Divine Clinic Foundation Hydration Water Therapy, removing all effects of negative energy, to the life cleanse, to the space cleanse, restoring light upon light at oneness speed. Peace and blessings. Connect with our soul physicians at info@thedivineclinicfoundation.com to live your highest and best life.